If your plant begins showing unusual symptoms, it's important to investigate early before the problem spreads. This condition is commonly associated with Gibberella fujikuroi, a fungal pathogen that can cause wilt disease in sugarcane. Some common symptoms include the disease usually becomes noticeable after the active growth stage. Leaves gradually turn yellowish-green, lose their firmness, and dry out from the lower part of the plant upward. Leaf tips may become white, or the leaves may develop a yellow midrib surrounded by a pale green blade. Infected sugarcane plants are often stunted, produce lighter stalks, and develop hollow internodes, while the nodes and young shoots may initially appear unaffected. When the stalk is cut lengthwise, dark red to purplish discoloration can be seen extending above the growth rings at the nodes. Severe infections can result in substantial yield losses. This disease is often triggered by conditions such as symptoms commonly appear during or after the rainy season. The fungus typically enters the plant through wounds caused by insects such as borers, termites, scale insects, and mealybugs. Environmental stresses, including drought and flooding, can increase the severity of wilting in infected plants. High temperatures combined with low humidity and moisture stress further weaken plant defenses, making disease development more likely. Many growers choose to begin with natural approaches, such as planting material can be treated with hot, humid air at 54 degrees Celsius for 150 minutes, followed by soaking in a 0.1% bleaching solution for 5 minutes before planting. When handling disinfecting solutions, always follow proper hygiene practices and wear protective gloves and safety glasses. Use dedicated containers that are not intended for household use. If the disease becomes more severe, additional treatments may include whenever possible, combine preventive measures with sound crop management practices. Currently, there are no chemical treatments proven to effectively control sugarcane wilt caused by Gibberella fujikuroi, making prevention the most important management strategy. To help reduce future outbreaks, use certified disease-free seed cane or planting material whenever available. Rotate crops with non-host species to reduce fungal survival in the field. Avoid excessive fertilizer application, particularly nitrogen, as it may increase plant susceptibility. Minimize injuries to plants during cultivation. Maintain good field drainage to prevent waterlogging, and remove or destroy infected crop residues after harvest. In summary, affected sugarcane plants become pale and stunted, with hollow, dry stalks and dark red to purplish discoloration inside the nodes. As the disease progresses, plant vigor declines and yield can be significantly reduced. Follow the channel for more practical tips on protecting your plants and maintaining healthy crops.